Yeah, that's satisfying. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jessie. So glad you're here. So for this video, I wanted to share some of the goodies that I picked up from BoxLunch. I went on a little bit of a online shopping spree. I love everything I got, so I thought I would share them here with you. So if you haven't heard of BoxLunch before, they sell all sorts of fun like pop culture clothing, and they work with a few other companies like Loungefly, which I have a few bags to show from there today as well. And long story short, I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw something I liked, went on the website, and I saw like you get free shipping after $60, so I put another thing in my basket and another thing in my basket. And well, here we are with this haul with lots of great goodies. Something else really cool is that for every $10 you spend, BoxLunch donates a meal to someone in need. This isn't a sponsored video, I just think it's really cool. I love these things that I got, so I wanted to share them with you all, so let's dive right in. To get started, I'm actually wearing one of the first things I'd like to show. So this is a botanical Disney princess t-shirt, and it's so cute because it has flowers from a bunch of the different Disney princesses. So you can see that we have Mulan and Ariel at the top, we have Rapunzel and Belle, we have Jasmine, Aurora, and Tiana there at the bottom, and it's just such a cool top. I wish I was going to Flower and Garden Festival because I feel like this would be a perfect t-shirt for it. Super cute. The quality's pretty good too, so gets a thumbs up. So we'll just stay in the line of apparel. Check out this sweatshirt. So this is a Marie crew neck sweatshirt. So Marie from the Aristocats, and it's adorable. It has her on the milk carton here with some macarons, and it says Aristocats since 1970 with a little glass of milk. I think it's just really great and really comfy. So this does come a little bit oversized. I ordered this in a size small, and as you can see, the sleeves are nice and long, so it won't be riding up, but it's so cute. I thought this would be really fun. I don't know, something about Marie being on the milk carton just really got me. I'm not even a cat person, but this sweatshirt is super cute. The last top I got is this Winnie the Pooh button-up top, and it even has a little tie at the bottom. I just think it's awesome. I really need to iron this, but the details on the collar are really great. They're these little daisies, and then Winnie the Pooh is embroidered. Check him out. He's just picking daisies and playing with the ladybug. So I thought this was adorable, and I will try this on and insert a clip over top as well. But you can see that it has the cute little tie at the bottom, kind of a nice olive green color. It also looks a little bit wide and boxy, but I figured that would look really cute with a pair of jeans or some shorts if the weather's nice. So this shirt is so great. I love it. The next bit of apparel, I got a Disney princess face mask, which I thought was really fun. So it has lots of different princesses. There's Tiana, Aurora, Ariel, Belle, Snow White. Oh, Cinderella's on there too. So it's really cute. It'll go really nicely with this botanical top. So there you go. So you can kind of see it there. It's cute, full coverage. I like it. I like the color blue. Yay! I should also mention that everything in the shop was 20% off, and then I think I had a 25% off coupon. So, you know, things were pretty easy to throw into that basket. So before I move on to the very exciting stuff, I got this little tote bag that you can bring to the grocery store or, you know, wherever. Just throw it in your purse, a reusable tote bag. So this is by Loungefly. So this is one of the first of the Loungefly items. So let's check it out. It has a little snap. Oh, here we go. Kind of looks like a t-shirt. So it's a pretty big bag, kind of bigger than I expected it to be. Here's an up close look at the patterns. You can see Bambi, so cute. And I think that there's little baby Thumper in there as well. This is a great reusable bag that you can just snap right up. It folds up nice and tiny. Let's see if I can fold it up again. Okay, so you can fold it right back up. This doesn't look as neat and as tidy as it came, but I will work on that. So yeah, super great bag. So this next thing, I got a lanyard for my work ID, but it's the Little Mermaid theme, and it's so cute and artistic. So she looks like a painting there, and on the inside, you can see there's Flounder as well. And it's just one of those ID clips that it has like the swivel guy at the top, and then you can stretch it. It's really nice quality too. It feels really good. It's like a nice texture. And then it has just the gold clippy, like that kind of clip. and it's really pretty. I love the little mermaid. She's been one of my favorites forever, so I like that she'll be on my lanyard now. This next item I also got to have for work to bring my lunch in. It's a little lunchbox by Disney and JuJuBe. This is really, really pretty. It has Minnie and Mickey kind of silhouettes on it, so I'll turn it around so you can see the back. You can see Minnie and Mickey silhouettes. They're so cute. They're in this really nice kind of turquoise blue, and then all the flowers, like, love floral print. Minnie and Mickey are also on the zips. So then you open it up. It's insulated. It has like the really nice like cooler lining. Here is the strap for the lunchbox, and then when you close it up, there's also a little front pouch as well. So you could put I don't know what you put in there. You can put something in there. But the colors are great. It's really summery with the flowers, but it's also dark so it won't get too dirty. And it is machine washable, so if you have any spillage, no need to worry. This guy can handle it. So now moving on to my two favorite pieces. I got two Loungefly bags. I'm so excited about them. So this first one is kind of like a beach bag. It's a Mermaid Lagoon straw bag, and I love it. It's Peter Pan, so it's really cute. But I like that it's subtle. Like, all these things are pretty subtle Disney, because I don't really go for like the standout, like big flashy like Disney stuff quite typically. I like the more subtle things. You kind of have to be in the know to know. And this Mermaid Lagoon bag is definitely one of those. Perfect for a beach bag. I'm really excited to hopefully bring this on some beach vacations with me later in this year. So the embroidery here is done in yarn. Kind of see it there. It's done in yarn. It says Mermaid Lagoon has the flowers. On the back there are also some flowers, so the embroidered flowers down here, and then the Loungefly Disney kind of tag on the outside, so you know it's official. And then let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So nice and spacious on the inside. So it isn't lined, which that would have been really nice had it been lined, so I'll just have to be extra careful with it. But I think this is still a really great bag. Like, I can throw maybe my towel, my sunscreen, my camera, and bring this to the beach. It does have a snap on the front, snap clasp. Yeah, I cannot wait to take this to the beach. This next bag is the last item that I got in this BoxLunch haul, and this is actually the item that got me looking in the first place. So I had seen this on Instagram, on Loungefly's Instagram page, and I was like, I have to have this bag. So this is a Beauty and the Beast themed bag. It has all of Belle's dresses. If you know me, you know I love Belle. She's a very dear friend of mine, and so I had to get this bag that has her dresses on it. It has the green library dress, the pink garden dress, her blue village dress, and her gold ballroom dress. So yeah, it's gorgeous. The material is great. I think it's not made of leather. I don't remember what it's made of, but it does feel very durable and easy to clean, which I'm always a little bit careful of when I get a light colored bag. But the bottom of it is tan. It has these tan pockets and tan straps, and I haven't opened it up yet, so let's check it out. Here we go. Aha! Oh, it's so gorgeous. So on the inside, it has Belle in those dresses. So there she is in all of her different dresses. It's so pretty. So here's an up-close look as well at the front. Like, look at the details. They're almost like sketches of her dresses, which again is why I really liked it, because it's so subtle. And a lot of the time, the Beauty and the Beast merchandise is all themed towards the stained glass windows, which is really pretty, but I feel like this is something so different that I hadn't seen before, and I'm so excited to finally have it. It's the perfect size backpack too. It's not too big, not too small. Okay, so it has the same pattern, the Belle face pattern on the inside, and then also on the very inside, it does have a back pocket, so you can put anything that you don't want like falling out as you're going in and out of your bags. Yes, let's try it on. So here we go. I left the plastic on because I think I need scissors. It's a perfect size park bag. It's a perfect size day bag. I am so thrilled with this one, and this bag is kind of what led me to all these other awesome finds from Loungefly, JuJuBe, and BoxLunch. Overall, I am so pleased with all these awesome finds from BoxLunch. Again, this is not sponsored. They didn't send this stuff to me. Like, this is just genuine shoppers review, I guess. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out BoxLunch's website. They have some really fun finds, a ton of subtle Disney stuff, and they have Harry Potter and other brands and like kind of pop culture things that I don't know of, but you might, and you might love to have that, so check them out. And again, every $10 you spend, they donate a meal to someone in need, so that's really cool too. I believe they work with Feeding America, and there's an option to donate at your purchase as well. So go check them out. Thank you so much for checking this video out. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to follow along for more fun. Hopefully soon I'll be traveling with some of these bags, and you might see a little cameo appearance in a travel vlog. Who knows? So until the next video, stay safe, take care, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!